Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Wednesday, June 21st, 2023, 9:13 p.m. Now, this is a Casablanca Panama, and it has already been unboxed once before, I believe by me, but here are the blade brackets, down rod, hang true screws, and the fan itself. And it appears that actually I had put a light kit, or somebody put a light kit on here at one point in time, because you can see the part in the middle where there's a hole instead of a little plug that goes in, and the circular formation that would indicate there was a light kit at one point in time. And just some spare wires at the bottom. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.